Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Siegi here. We are on my second channel, guys. We are unboxing a new keyboard which has been released from Yunzii. I will leave the first link on the description. I got this package a few weeks ago and we are finally unboxing. I have another keyboard, guys, from Yunzii, which I will upload it next week, hopefully. It's Yunzii YZ87. So this is the B75, guys. We're going to unbox it. This is from Yunzii. So thank you, Yunzii, for sponsoring this video. It's been my pleasure working with you. We're gonna unbox this keyboard. We're gonna test it. We're gonna see how this amazing keyboard is. Uh-oh. Hard? Alright. We are getting in there. I haven't seen it. I have no idea how it looks. Oh. I'll leave this in the side. So this is the Yunzii B75. Yeah, that's correct. B75 is finally here. It's amazing keyboard and mechanical as well. You can scan the QR code or anything, but yeah, this is the package. The package looks really good. See that it looks in really good condition. We're gonna open right now, guys. Okay, this is gonna be full unboxing video, so I will no cut or anything, so hopefully it's gonna be interesting. I will put on video and music in the back. Oh my god, I should my bad, guys. It has been, oh my god, holy shit. Oh, okay. As usual, guys, we have some scripts over here which we don't need it. I will leave the keyboard. It's on white. Oh, oh shit, my bad. How can I? Oh my god, wow, holy shit, guys. This is the Yunzii B75, guys. The design looks such dope, guys. Oh, holy moly. The design looks good. This is how it sounds. It's good. But the thing is, guys, the keyboard is so smooth. Yeah, it does a little bit, you know, bit of the sound. On the back, it looks like this. Yunzii mechanical. It has these. You can put it in 2 times or just 1 time. That's how it gonna works. Okay, so final truth, guys. We need, so over here, guys, we got Mac, Windows, we have Android. Wow. Okay, guys, over here, you can see you have the Type-C, you have Android, Windows, and the Mac. If you go in Android, you can use probably a TV with an external. Does this have, I'm wondering, does this have a cable? Okay, this has a cable. Okay. Got these guys. Like this design. Really good. And we get 2 switches. Yeah. Right, how do we turn this on? It doesn't seem like it has any USB, you know, wireless stuff. Think so, it doesn't. I was thinking it's over here, or just something like that. Right, so we need to cable it on. I'll use another cable from here. Okay. Like this color, guys. It actually matches with my cable. Suddenly, it just does it. Wow, it's amazing. It works. It's actually really good. I like this one as well. So you can turn the sound on, you can turn it off, and all of that stuff. Yeah. Wait, what happened? Oh, it's actually, what am I doing right now, guys? I'm turning on the light and stuff. I don't know. Okay. So if you guys like this video, this is the Yunzii B75, and I'll see you guys until the next video. The first link on the description. Check it out. The cable looks really awesome. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys until the next video. Peace.